Today we're going to do a handprint.
Today we're going to do some DIY Father's Day activities so that way we can give some keepsakes. Now for our first project, we're going to do a handprint.
Yay.
And then we got some plaster of Paris from a Kiwi box that we didn't use. We have some water to mix that up. And the reason why I wanted to do this was because, unfortunately, 2 years ago, we tried a salt dough and we didn't seal it correctly.
Yeah, because look.
Yeah, see? And it started peeling up. So it didn't do well.
Wait till I look.
Yeah, see? So that's the reason why we're going to try a different...
It's all cracky.
It is. And that's your two-year-old feet.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why we're going to try something a little bit more permanent. And we're going to try a plaster of Paris.
It's time to peel up.
Yeah. So everybody, you want to see? It's starting to peel off. So that's the reason why, and it comes in little pieces, why we want to try and do another attempt at something at this.
Yeah.
So, since my handy assistant, I need your hand. Okay, so.
That hurts.
Oh, but this is a little bit better, isn't it? Now you can really put your fingers in there, right?
I'm digging down deep.
You're digging down deep. Oh, a little bit better. So now we got a little handprint.
Oh!
Yeah.
I had that clean!
Yeah. So what we're doing is we're wanting to finalize the shape of the indentation so that way we can get that nice good plaster. What we're doing is we're going to go ahead.
Clean!
And you're clean. I got this little tray to keep all the mess contained. So we're going to take one of these.
Yeah, I'll cut it.
You'll cut it. Now be careful.
Right here.
Careful. Okay. Yeah, because we don't want to cut Mommy's hands, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to take
You're going to have to go to the doctor.
I know.
Get surgery.
Yep, I know. All right, so we're going to put this in there.
Oh.
And it's going to be 3 full scoops. 3 full scoops. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right, can you take one of the stir sticks and stir it up for me?
There you go.
All right, let's take a look. You did such a great job. So now we don't have any lumps.
Or bumps.
Or bumps.
Or powder.
Or powder. And then the next step is we're going to put this in so that way it can shape that mold. So we're going to do very carefully because we want to keep it within, get the shape.
Can I do that?
Yep. Let's get you some more.
Because you want to fill all the blue bases
Yep.
in the hand.
Yep. That's what we want. We're going to do a keepsake for your hand to give to Daddy. So this is what we've done.
But I need to do a little more because I see
that. Yeah.
I see a little bit right there.
So there we have it. Now we have 24 hours to let this settle, and then we will break it out of its mold. All right.
What's the mold?
So that is the mold. That's the mold.
Right?
Yeah. All right. So the next DIY, which I thought was the cutest thing that I saw on Instagram. What color would you like? You can do 2 different colors, or you can do the same color. But you need to take 2 sheets of paper.
Purple and blue.
Purple and blue. Okay, so we're going to take 1 blue sheet and 1 purple sheet.
What is one of your favorite colors?
Mm-hmm.
Blue!
Yeah. Blue is my favorite color. Okay, so what I want to do is we're going to do your handprint again. So we're going to do trace your left hand. We're going to do a handprint. What we're going to do is we're going to cut these out. So can you cut this one out for me?
Yeah. But if I was Mustafa, I would just cut them in pieces everywhere out.
There we have our two hands. Two hands.
I have to keep those squiggly lines.
Okay, that's fine. So the reason why we are cutting what we cut your hands out for is I got this little, I printed out ahead of time. It says, I love you this much. And I'm going to put your hands and I'm going to tape them on each side. Okay?
Yeah.
And that way, Daddy will be very excited to see it. So can you take a little piece of tape and tape it right there? Can you do that for me?
Yeah, like I holding it?
Like you're holding the sign, you're right. Alright, let's take a look. Here, let's cut this in half.
I would do it.
Okay. There we go.
I cut it for Mommy to see.
There we go. There's one side.
And the other side.
And the other side. Here you go. So what we got now is we got two handprints. And then when Daddy opens it, he sees, I love you this much.
I gotta do one of those for you, Mommy.
Aww, thank you. So I love you this much. Isn't that pretty? So here's two options that you can do for Father's Day. This one is, I love it very much because it's got their own hands, but then we also have a plaster of the actual hand. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for joining us.
And like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.